Let's get started with a really nice creamy turkey curry. I'm going to add a couple of bits and bobs to it as well. I'm just going to slice up a couple of sticks of celery, really small. And I'll pop that to one side. And then I'm using a red onion. And again, we'll cut that into small pieces. We've got us turkey. This is what we're left. And I've deboned it and then just made it into quite small pieces, but making sure we've got some nice bites of turkey in there. And it's a shame to waste all that meat. And I've also got some mushrooms. So now we'll get this put together. So medium heat and a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and we'll get that celery straight in there. And those onions, and also those mushrooms. And we'll cook these for a few minutes to get everything softened. While at the same time, we're going to add some spices. So oregano, about half a teaspoon, not too much. I'm using a teaspoon of garlic granules, or use fresh garlic if you've got that. And a teaspoon of ginger as well, and the same cumin. And then I'm adding a tablespoon of medium curry powder to that. I'll get that cooked out. And this is a great meal to make early and just pop it in your slow cooker until you're ready, because that turkey is already cooked. So you just got to eat it back through, which makes it a really quick meal to knock together. Just going to keep giving that a stir. Now I'm going to add a cup of tomato puree, and we made this ourselves from some homegrown Italian plum tomatoes. But you could use some chopped tomatoes or a tin of tomatoes. Get all this mixed together. We just need to cook the rawness out of those tomatoes. And now we'll add that turkey. And 270 millilitres of double cream. Or you could use coconut milk, up to you. So just a quick mix with this, just to get everything nicely combined. And then I'm just going to cover that and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, just to make sure that that turkey is fully heated through. So now you could just simmer it if you wanted to make it a little thicker, entirely up to you. I'm just going to add a little black pepper to that, and just a little bit of salt. I don't want too much salt in it because we are trying to cut back on that. And that's your turkey curry ready to serve.